Do you need a simple and professional way to review your employees' performance? If your answer is yes, then this Excel template may be perfect for your company. In this video, I will show you how the employee performance review template works, how you can add your employees, create the reviews, and check the automatic reports. And if you want to get this template, just click the link in the video description. So let's start. The first step is simple. Go to the Employees tab. Here you add each person you want to evaluate. Just enter name, department, and job position. Add one employee per line. After this, the list is ready to be used in all evaluations and reports. Next, go to the Settings tab. This is where you customize the entry review systems. Here you can add up to 10 skills you want to evaluate. Set the scores levels for excellent, good, fair, or unsatisfactory. For example, 90% or more for excellent, 75% or more for good, 50% or more for fair, less than 50% for unsatisfactory. You can edit these values to match your company's rules, or you can simply keep the default numbers. After you finish the setup, you can start the reviews. Now go to Evaluation 1. Here we will enter the review date, select the employee from the list, give a score from 0 to 10 for each skills. The template will calculate automatically the final score and the final result, excellent, good, fair, or unsatisfactory. No manual work, just enter the scores and everything updates instantly. If you want to review more employees, just repeat the same steps below the first one. And if you want to do more reviews cycles, use the tabs Evaluation 2, Evaluation 3, and Evaluation 4. They all work the same way. After the reviews are done, go to the General Report tab. Here you get a full dashboard with total employees, finished reviews, reviews still pending, percentage of complete evaluations. We will also see a chart with a company's average scores per competency, a chart with a percent of the results excellent, good, fair, or satisfactory, and below that we will have a comparison charts showing evaluation 1, evaluation 2, evaluation 3, and evaluation 4 side by side. All charts update automatically. And one more thing, this page is already formatted for A4 landscape printing. Next, open Employee Report. In this tab, you will choose the employee, the evaluation you want to see. Then the template shows the total score, the final result, a comparison between the employee's scores and the company average, a rater chart showing the performance in which competency, and at the bottom you get a table and a chart comparing all reviews of the same employee. This helps you see their evaluation over time or if the performance has dropped. This page is also ready for A4 landscape printing. So this is how the employee performance review template works. It is a complete, editable, and practical tool that helps leaders and HR teams review performance in a simple and professional way. If you want to get this template, just use the link in the video description. Thanks for watching and see you next time.